Hello bachcho, let's see this question. The question says describe Heisenberg method for identification of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. So the key concept here is Heisenberg test. हमारा key concept क्या है? Heisenberg's test. Now this Heisenberg test is used to identify the primary, secondary and tertiary amine because the Heisenberg's reagent, that is benzene sulfonyl chloride C6H5SO2Cl, reacts differently with primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Now let's first see the reaction of Heisenberg's reagent with primary amine. Primary amine के साथ इसका reaction देख लेते हैं. So the structure of Heisenberg reagent, that is benzene sulfonyl chloride, is this S double bond O Cl when reacted with primary amine, that is HNHC3H7, gives N alkyl benzene sulfonyl amide. So the reaction of benzene sulfonyl chloride, that is Heisenberg reagent with primary amine, gives N alkyl benzene sulfonyl amide, right? So ये तो हो गया Heisenberg का reagent with primary amine. Now its reaction with secondary amine. Second reaction of Heisenberg reagent with secondary amine gives us sulfoamide. Now the reaction of Heisenberg reagent with secondary amine gives us sulfoamide, which is insoluble in alkyl, right? Now its reaction of Heisenberg reagent with tertiary amine CH3 NCH3 gives no reaction. Here it gives no reaction, right? So हम Heisenberg test को use कर सकते हैं to identify primary, secondary and tertiary amine, because जो हमारा Heisenberg reagent होता है वो different product देता है when reacted with different amines, that is primary, secondary and tertiary amine. So in primary amine it gives N-alkyl benzene sulfonyl amide, and when reacted with secondary amine it gives sulfoanamide, and when reacted with tertiary amine it has no reaction. So I hope you understood it. Best of luck.